In this question, you're given that fx is x cube minus 1. That's the rule which connects x with fx. And the domain of f is 0, 1, 2, 3. There are only 4 elements in the domain. What is the domain of f inverse? So we know that if f is a bijective function from a to b, if f is a function from a to b, f inverse will be a function from b to a. So let us see the domain and range of the function f of x. So it's given that my function f has a rule x cube minus 1, that is fx is equal to x cube minus 1, and the domain, let us call it a, let us call the range as b. So the domain of f is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now you're asked to find what the domain of f inverse is. It is the reverse function. So let us find the images of these 4 elements according to this rule. So where will 0 be connected? So what is f of 0? F of 0 is nothing but 0 cube minus 1. That is 0 is connected to minus 1, right? What is f of 1? It is 1 cube minus 1, which is connected to 0. What is f of 2? It is 2 cube minus 1. That is 2 is connected to 7. And what is f of 3? F of 3 is nothing but 3 cube minus 1. 27 minus 1 is 26. Now, if 0, 1, 2, 3 is the domain of f of x, what is the range of f of x? Minus 1, 0, 7 and 26. So what is the domain of f inverse? The domain of f inverse is nothing but the range of f. There is a set containing minus 1, 0, 7 and 26. So this will be the answer to this question.